Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Steve here. Today I am with a great server here in Minecraft. The server has been updated to 1.7.2 just a couple of months ago, or maybe not couple anymore. So, there are a lot of awesome stuff here. IP down in the description below. But this server is called Climax Craft. See, you just have to press double tap your space bars, then you can have double jump. And this is a mysterious portal. It's coming December 6th. Can't pronounce it properly, and I can't wait to see it. This sky block, this was also new. This was new about a week ago. Yeah. Then I tried playing it. It's Skyblock. So this thing here, Kit PvP. It's obvious it's Kit PvP. This is PvP. This is SMP or survival. In PvP, even if you're outside in the wilderness, you can PvP. But in here, if you're in the wilderness, you can't PvP. So in here, this is creative. And 1.7.2 blocks, our features, are now allowed. So yeah, this is kind of cool server. And this is the minigames and Skywars in the Skyblock. So I'll go each on every server here. I'll start off with Kit PvP because it's the one on the most left. So obviously I always lag when I log into servers. See. I'm gonna be right back because I can't show you the password. Okay, I'm back already. See, sometimes if you lag, you can also go back to the hub. Just command the hub. But since I'm already in the hub, you can't do that. See? You're already in the hub server. So, let's go here. So, here's the bunch of stuff. There are two kits. I only have. There's a kit fight and kit contest. So, you can bind them. Oh yeah, if you step on pressure plates, you jump. See? See, look at this. I'm gonna go have a fight with one guy. Okay. Here goes. Where's that guy? It's a coward! Just kidding. Oh there. There's a couple of people there. It died. Oh man. Oh, what the hell? It's lagging. For me. Okay. Actually, here you just have kits and you just PvP. I don't know where kits go, but I have a kit. See there. I've lost money. So let's go back to the hub, and I'll be right back because I have to log in again. Alright, be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now we'll have to go to the PvP server, which is my favorite. And I'm gonna tell you on this video. I'm gonna go on to the longest on Skywars because that's my favorite. This is my second favorite. Okay, yeah, let's go. So, as you see, I just got raided here. Oh, see, I'm not raided, griefed. So, I have to build a new F-home. Oh, yeah, I disbanded my faction. I forgot. So, this is pretty much it. The warps are like this. Oh yeah, people, no wait, I'm gonna say hi to YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Okay. Oh there, look, they run there. I'm just gonna, Mitch, no, I'm not gonna do them. Go to my Nell, Miner, Steve. Miner, Steve. Yeah. God, I'm bad at typing. To see your name. Okay. See, I'm still a member. I mean, I don't have a faction. So, um. Oh, so I'm gonna go pretty much to the next server, SMP, the most hated server I do. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the spawn. I'll show you the spawn. You have to don't move here. This is the spawn, and oh, what's this? No. Oh, I'm here. Anyways, that's the spawn. Oh no, never mind. This is the spawn. So you got. I mean, if you like, oh no, I died, and then you just have to be. Sometimes check the chest. Sometimes there's none. Let me have my kits. I'm gonna show you my kits. So yeah, I have kit weekly, but I only have one kit because I use my kit every day. If I have one. Yay! Free stuff, people. Free stuff. Sorry, I moved it. Sorry. Okay. Cookie. So, hey, that guy just got me stuff. Anyways, let's go to the. Whoa! I'm in here. I'm in here. Yay! Just kidding. Okay, let's hop into the survival server. Yeah, I forgot I don't have to, sorry for moving it. So, I don't have to and pause and play again. I just have to go to hub, and then escape, and then there. Now you can see my password. Okay. Successful login. So we'll have to put it back there already. Wish you didn't see that. Let's go to the SMP server. I hate the server so much because I got kicked from my faction. So I'm gonna go to spawn. See, I got kicked. Oh, see, you don't need to move. Even if you were gonna move, you tap spawn, you get directly there. See, okay, now you've saw the spawn. Oh, I'm not dog, right? Jeez. Just move this. Oh, what happened? It shrank. There we go. Can't put it correctly. Okay. Log in my password, which I'm not gonna tell you. I sure hope you didn't actually say that. Okay. Put it back here. Crap. Pretty much like this. Okay. Whoa! Whoa, why is it like that? Let me check. I don't know the reason why it's like this, but let me try to fix it. Oh, because of that. Let me fix the camera control, the focus bit. Okay, there. Oh, sorry for a full screen. Sorry for a little black screen. What just happened? Okay, now. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go to the creative server, which is normal for me. I'm thirsty of all this talking. I'll be right back, very quick. So yeah, very quick. Alright guys, so I'm back from drinking water, which, I wanted to do this since a while ago. I wasn't even planning to go YouTube. So, yeah. Oh yeah, it's not my plot. Where's my plot? Anyways, I forgot there's the plot I went a while ago, the last time I played, but this is not my plot. See, I can't even build on it. So yeah, let's jump onto the... Let me check if I'm not allowed. I jump onto the other server. You know, if I play sometimes my Skywars, sometimes I even smash my computer. I'm serious. There we go. Oh, I'm so silly. I always do that. Guys. Gee, me. I'm so ugly. No, I didn't mean that. Let's spread that around. Oh, my gosh. Okay, there. Let's go to the mini games server. Do I have to go here or? Yeah, for you guys. I'm gonna do Skywars as the last because I'm gonna do it as the longest. So, all the warps here, CTF, Donate, Hunger Games, Hide and Seek, Lobby, Paintball, Parkers, SG, Spawn, Splag, Temple Run, TF2, The Walls, and Vote. Actually, the Walls is not yet fixed by Wazez, I think. See? Okay, I'm trapped here. Okay. Anyways, this, I know, maybe by the time that you'll join, if you're not gonna join right now, maybe the next time you'll join, there's gonna be, the walls. Because I wanna play the walls if there will be the walls. So, let's jump onto, Skyblock. Okay. I'm tired of doing it every day. I mean, not every day. Hopefully, you still can see my typings. Yeah, you can see. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Only to the and Bon appetit. Yay! I remembered not to press F11. Skyblock. So, I have this thing that my friend gave me, but it's almost broken. Whoa! Whoa! Never mind. It's just the same thing. Okay. So, mostly just I do the is PvP, guys. Oh, what the hell? Where did that go? Hey, you die. Yay, hey. Hey. Yay. Okay. Oh, there's a guy there. Actually, because he's shifting off the cliff, I can't kill him, see? Say hi, YouTube. There. Say hi, YouTube. Okay. Okay. So, let's jump on the Skywars. My favorite. It's my favorite. Skywars! Okay. Okay, let's go here and, there we go. So, Skywars, no. So, because I like to PvP, I mean, yeah, I like to kill people. Sometimes I even punch a screen like, eh. So, this is a pretty cool server, Climax Craft. I've been asking for stuff, but Moses doesn't mind me. So, I just tried to tell him, I just tried to make this video to get the attention of Wazez. So, Wazez, if you are watching this video, hi. Just kidding. So yeah, best server, longest server I played on. Actually, not the longest, second longest. Sure hope nobody hits me. Oh, I have eyes. So yeah, guys, for the next few minutes is my Skywars gameplay. So if you don't want, you can end the video and you can end the God, you can end the video. Never mind. You can end the video and start going on the server. But if you want my Skywars gameplay, you can watch it. Oh God, no, don't kill. I hate my life. Just kidding. Okay. Sometimes even lag like that, so I just okay. Whoa! What just happened? What was that?